South Korea prepares for a meeting with North Korea by sending special representatives to Pyongyang. Issues to be discussed include establishing peace and denuclearization of the Korean peninsula. About 1,000 protesters in Tegucigalpa, Honduras, call on President Juan Orlando Hernandez to resign. He is accused of wrongdoing during his re-election campaign last November. African leaders will gather in Beijing Monday for a meeting focused on economic ties. And Malaysia celebrates its 61st Independence Day with a military parade in the city of Putrajaya.